Good afternoon, and welcome to East Baton Rouge Parish Public Library's virtual 20-somethings craft. Today, we'll be working on our July craft, which is an upcycled bird feeder that can be made from any aluminum can. In your craft kit, you should have a set of instructions, some bird seed, a chopstick, some cord, a large paper clip, an aluminum can with a hole punched in the bottom, and some decorative duct tape. The first thing you want to do is fit your vinyl to your can so it makes a little barrier. So you're going to fold your vinyl circle in half and fit it to the front of your can. Now you can wrap this in duct tape too to make it last longer, but you're also going to connect it to your can with duct tape. Next, we'll wrap the bottom of our can similar to how we did the top, but we're going to cover it fully. Just make sure you remember where your hole is so you can re-punch it through the duct tape, because that's the hole that we're going to use to hang our bird feeders. Next, we're going to choose the duct tape we want to cover our body of our bird feeder. Before we start taping though, you want to make sure that you have your chopstick aligned along the bottom of your bird feeder, because as you tape your duct tape onto your aluminum can, you're going to wrap this on there to secure it. Alright y'all, we're almost done with this super simple summer craft. Last thing we're going to do is we're going to unroll our paper clip, and to make it easier on ourselves, we're going to insert it through the back of the can out of the front. Insert your string through the loop and hold the end and pull it out. So your bird feeder is strung. Go ahead and tie off the top. It's a good little double knot, should work. If you want to make your bird feeder more secure, what you can do is take another little piece of tape, just a tiny one. And place it right here to hold your string in place. That way, if a bird lands on it, it's not going to slide and dump out. The final step is to add your bird seed and hang outdoors and see your wonderful feathered neighbors come and enjoy the wonderful seeds. Thank you for joining us today for our East Baton Rouge Parish Public Library 20-somethings virtual craft. We hope you had fun and come see us again.